Hi, I'm Alan from Outbound UAE and welcome to the first episode of Cooking with OB. Today we're going to look at whipping up some rocky roads. And of course, the first thing to do before we do anything is wash our hands. So what you'll need today is 75 grams of hazelnuts, 150 grams of rich tea biscuits, 75 grams of coconut oil, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 2.5 teaspoons of golden syrup, and 125 grams of sultanas. So we're going to put the hazelnuts in a dry frying pan and we're going to roast those till golden brown and they smell real nutty. Cool, so while the hazelnuts are on, what we've done here is put the rich tea biscuits into a Ziploc bag. If you haven't got a Ziploc bag, that's fine, just leave them in the packet. What we need to do is we need to crush them up. And either just go ahead and crush them in the bag, or if you've got a bit of a heavier spoon or a wooden spoon, go ahead and have some fun, release some anger. Bosh! Okay, so next thing we need to do, we need to get that chocolate, we need to break it up and put it in a microwave proof bowl. Once we've done that, we're going to add in the coconut oil as well. Get that in there, pow. And add into that as well are 2.5 tablespoons of golden syrup. Cool, once we've done that, we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Cool, so put it in the microwave, 30 seconds, and we're going to stir it every now and again as well. We're going to keep doing this until all this chocolate is completely melted. It's looking good. So once the nuts are smelling nutty and have all cooked up, we need to crush them up before we add them to anything else. So I put them in another Ziploc bag and I've got a water bottle full of water and literally, pow, crush them up. And once you've crushed them, these and our biscuits can be added to our chocolate sauce that we got out of the microwave just a moment ago. Okay, with that we're also going to add in our sultanas. Pow! And give everything a good mix. Get that real coated in, all chocolatey. Pow. So once that's all mixed, next thing we need to do is put this mixture into the tin. But before we do that, we're just going to line it with some lime paper so that it's easier to get out once it's set. So get that right in the corners, spread all out, and then we can add the mixture. Alright, in it goes. Then you just spread everything in there out, make sure it gets right in those corners, nice and tight up against the tin. Even give it a little push down with the back of the spoon. It's nice and flat, nice and tight in there. And now it's time to stick it in the fridge for the next 2 hours. And after 2 hours of being in the fridge, we end up with a wonderfully solid rocky road. Now what's left to do is to cut it up and enjoy. I hope you've had fun today making rocky roads. Let us know how you get on by posting your pictures in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching, stay safe, and ma salama.